Hi, welcome to another video of StressedOutStressFree.com. My name is Vincent Woon. In this video, we are going to talk about night coughing. My wife and my daughter has been coughing like crazy every night. And it has been a sleepless week for all of us. And what happened? What happened? My wife received an email from a friend based on the research done in Canada. And in order to get rid of night cough, there's one simple method. And later on, I found out that's another method that my friend told me a long time ago that I actually forgot. Let me show you what you need to do. First, get the vapor rub, Vicks vapor rub, and put it on the feet. Rub it like such. And after that, you put stocking on it, and you're all set to go. But I will put a little bit on the chest just to soothe down the chest area. And it's closer to the nose, it's good for the breathing. So we did the test on both my wife and my daughter, and the first night there was little coughing, and on the second night the coughing was completely gone for my wife, but my daughter has been coughing. The third night, what I did was I added a little bit more on the feet and also on the chest, and she coughed maybe once or twice, and then she slept through the night, and finally it works. After all this, I remembered that a friend of mine told me what he did for his kids when they were coughing. He had a Vicks Vapor Steam Liquid medication. What he did was he put the liquid onto the well of a warm mist humidifier. Make sure you get the one with the well like such. And when the steam comes up, the air circulates the whole room, and that soothes their breathing and lessens their cough. I will put a link of these products in my blog, and I hope that this will help you at least easing out your night cough, and I hope it works for you too. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any comment, please leave a comment underneath the comment box. And if you have a question on anything that you want me to share, let me know and I'll be glad to share with you. Don't forget to visit my blog at www.stressedOutStressFree.com, and I see you in the next video.